How to add song to Instagram post after posting it. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to this profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now head towards any of the post. Now how to add music to the post that you have already uploaded. At the top right corner of each post, you're going to find three dots. Click on it. Different options will appear as archive, hide like count, turn off commenting, edit, and many more. Head towards the option of edit. Now you are able to add location, tag people, likewise add text. Also you can add the caption. But you won't find the option to add a song. Cause as if right now there is no such option within Instagram to add a song after posting it. But what you can do is delete this post and again re-upload it. That way you will be able to add the music, or else what you can do is share this post to your story adding the music. If you want to do so, click on this share icon. Now click on this option of add to story. Now at the top you're going to find different icons. Click on this music icon. Different music options will appear. Hit towards any of the music that you want to set for this post. Now here you're going to find this icon. Scrolling to the right and left, you can select the particular part of the music. Then you can select different templates as well. Likewise, you can also select the clip duration. Once you are done, click on this option of done. With that, the post will be uploaded along with the music. Well, that's the wrap for this video. This way you can easily add a song to your post after posting it. But if in the future Instagram comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.